Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi Arya and I'm an IAS of 2023 batch, currently undergoing training in Labasna, Missouri. So UPSC CSE 2022 was my third attempt, and one of the major reasons of my selection this time was improvement in GS score, which went from 334 to 422. So the margin of 88 marks was quite a decent one, and I really want to thank Platform IAS for this. The platform provided me with right kind of knowledge. Sam sir especially helped me in building my knowledge base. He taught me how to learn, how to contextualize, how to present and get the right kind of content. I also want to thank Rajesh sir for being a constant source of support and motivation. I remember it was CSE 2021 prelims where I was not able to clear the first stage itself. So I had lost all the hopes, and I was totally shattered. I was not even thinking to reappear in the examination. That time I spoke with Rajesh sir. So his words and his motivation was the only thing which helped me in getting through the whole journey in that very particular attempt. And I owe a major part of my success now to Platform IAS and the whole team, especially Rajesh sir and Sam sir. I express my deepest and heartfelt gratitude for helping me getting success on my way. Thank you.